Hello friends, how are you? Today I will tell you how to earn money online in 2021. 28 realistic ways to make money online in 2021. From online poker to selling your collection of beans, babies, there are a lot of popular get rich quick money making ideas that way pop up. 35 plus best ways to make money online. To make money online 2021, maybe you want to create a separate stream of income to pay a few bills. You are simply looking for a way to, and you do not need to stop there. Why do not leverage your remote freelance work to start your even remote business? For For instance, you can build a company of virtual assistant and use job board to recreate clients. Are you having trouble finding the right employee? 21 plus future way to make money online fast. 2021 way to earn money online with video, VR and drone. Become an app developer, start a membership site, real estate, crowdfunding, invest with a robo. 16 trusted website to make money. The past year encouraged all of us embrace the great indoor. No surprise then that the interest in making money online from the safety of our home is now on the rise. What once felt like a distant daydream is now a reality of millions of people. Those of us who work remotely from our home offices for the last few years have a lot of less explaining to do at family events. The path to earning a meaningful amount of money online has become much business types. Whether the idea is product based, service based, or driven by an audience, efforts, how much time, skills, or experience you will need to put into the ideas. Leverage, how will positions you are to turn the ideas into money, making one that increase in value without needing your direct attention. A high leverage idea is not 1.1 trade of time for money. Startup cost, the upfront budget you will likely need to launch the idea. Drop shipping, business type, product base, efforts, medium, leverage high, startup cost out of 5. Last year, many worldwide trend experienced a decade's worth of acceleration. One such trend was the rise of e-commerce. There was a number of ways to run an e-commerce business, some of which allow for minimal need to carry and hold lot of inventory. Enter dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you do not keep the product you sell in stock. Instead, when a customer buys something from your store, a third party fulfill and ship the order for you. Home and garden. Home and garden is one of the those dropshipping niches that seem to always be trendy. People are always looking to add personal touches to their space to make it feel warm and cozy, which can make this an exciting niche to sell in. Beauty. The beauty and person care market is protected Okay, sound good, but there is huge hurdles to overcome with drop shipping. You are selling an exciting product. Subtle Asian Treats is a top drop shipping store that sells cures, plushing, and case for airports and iPhones. It was founded by Tez Heng Chen, a young Malaysian entrepreneur to print on demands. Business type, product base, efforts, medium, leverage, medium, startup cost out of 5. The most significant advantage print on demand offer over drop shipping is that you have control over the authentic of your product. A key differentiator for product categories where the design is the 5 proven ways to actually make money online in 2021. 5 proven ways to actually make money online in 2021. You can make over 1 million if you do not. How can I make money online in 2021? I hope you like our video. Goodbye.